How to go back in time in Google Maps. With this feature, you can really go back in time to see what it was like on the past. Of course, this has some exceptions. For example, time frames may not be available for all locations, so sometimes some locations might have low time frames than others, or some locations might not have any time frames. Let me show you. Firstly, pick a location, or you can even go to the search bar on the top to search for a specific location. Once you have gone to that location, then drop a pin. Once the pin is dropped, you will see a street view option. Click on the street view option to view the streets. Now click on the maximize icon to open it on full screen. Here at the top left corner, you can see the date. This is the view of August 2022. If you click on that date, then at the bottom you will see the time frame. As you can see, this location does not have a past, but if you check our next location, then here is two time frames. You can see what this location was like in 2019. So that's all for today. Thank you.